But if we got down to the 139.30, 139.20 area, for me, that would be a really superb, low risk buying opportunity. Okay, for some context, you can see on the daily chart, we have been having a slow but steady run up. Not an easy trend to trade at all. I've been avoiding this. This isn't something that I can trade, but buying on the pullbacks would have worked. We are pulled back to the 23.6% fib around 140.00, 140.05. We've got the 38.2% fib from the bigger move, also around the 140.20 area, 140.20, 140.00. We're testing it. So there is support there in the dollar CAD. But if we got down to the 139.30, 139.20 area, for me, that would be a really superb, low risk buying opportunity. So keep an eye on those two levels if you think that the dollar can continue to climb against the Canadian dollar.